Oh no, someone got his hands on the Galaxy Fold and there is a visible crease in the middle. Before you freak out, let me reassure you that this shouldn't bother you. What's up everyone, G-Stack here. Please subscribe and hit the bell. So someone from Vietnam got his hands on the Galaxy Fold, an AT&T Fold. How do I know he's from Vietnam? Well, he has the country code in his number. Why did he put his number in the description? Because he wants to promote his carrier unlocking service, which he does in the video. But the fact that the dude is from Vietnam can answer the question of how he got the phone. Samsung does a lot of research and development and even manufacturing in Vietnam, so that's probably how he managed to get it. You might ask me, why is this even important in the first place? Well, just bear with me and you'll understand. Now notice that the software seems to be running well. Notice that the phone isn't too fat for a first generation product. And notice how elegant this device looks. All this is good stuff, but one thing I know may have grabbed your attention by now is this crease in the middle of the display after you unfold it. Let's make things clear first. It looks like this crease is only visible when the screen is black and only at certain angles. So when the screen displays color, it gets less visible. That's something you'll have to live with and get used to if that's how things are gonna work, but don't worry, there are reasons to believe it's not. Remember when I showed you this Bloomberg report that said the screen may develop a crease after only 10,000 folds? That's about 100 days of folding and unfolding, and I doubt this guy had this phone for that many days. But even then, it's an issue, and Samsung may offer you free screen replacements if this happens to you. Because they said the screen should withstand 200,000 folds for more than 5 years of use. Now the second thing is, this phone here is most likely a prototype. Yes, this is why I had to mention Vietnam, because the development is based there. This is probably not the final version that will hit the market in April. Also, notice the numbers on the back. You do not have these on a retail unit. So I think this is one of the early test units that developed the crease, and that the retail units won't have this. And if yours develop one too early, Samsung should replace the screen for you for free. But even after all that, at least it's not looking as bad as the crease of the Huawei Mate X. So, let me know what you think about this, and please give this video a like and subscribe. I really need the motivation, because the channel is not performing well at all now. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.